Welcome to Imran.Family Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to show you how to make coconut prawn curry. This is something that is, again, from our East African lineup of dishes. I had this and I was totally blown away by how superb it was. The taste was absolutely exotic and it was absolutely full of flavor. So let's move on to a recipe, and for you to follow this recipe and for you to then maybe type down, in the future, your comments that, you know what, I can actually understand what you're saying, because that's the only way you guys will find out. So let's move on to the recipe now. Do like this video. So if you're watching on YouTube, if you're watching on your phone, or if you're watching on your computer or your laptop or your tablet, you'll see a like button right at the bottom of this video. Please hit that like button. We can't emphasize how important that is for us. We can't underestimate how important that is for us. So please like this video. And if you haven't subscribed, please also hit the red subscribe button, because that will mean a lot to us. That will mean that you are confident with the content that we are putting out for free as well. And once you press the subscribe button, you'll see the notification bell icon pop up just besides the subscribe button. So click on that so that you are informed of our daily releases. And with that said, catch you in the next one.